Here I have part F of this lab on chemical and physical changes. I am going to start with a small test tube that I'll fill with, it's called 6 molar, 6M hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is made of a gas, HCl, which is normally a gas, hydrogen chloride, dissolved in water. When that gas dissolves in water, it becomes an acid. So here I have a little test tube of hydrochloric acid halfway up in this test tube. And I'm going to set it down for just a minute. Now I need to put in a Ziploc bag some sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is another common industrial chemical. I can buy it in large quantity from chemical supply stores, or I can buy it from Wegmans. Sodium bicarbonate, otherwise known as baking soda. It says I need 2 grams, about 2 grams, and that'll do me. So another name for sodium bicarbonate, which is the name that's on the box, is sodium hydrogen carbonate. We'll come to learn that in about another month. So here I have sodium bicarbonate in a Ziploc bag. I have my hydrochloric acid in a test tube. It said to add about 30 mils of water. Now what happens when you put baking soda in water? Do you know if it dissolves? It looks like it didn't all the way dissolved, but it looked like some of it dissolved because there's no real powder at the bottom of it anymore. So here I have baking soda in water. I am going to add a few drops of universal indicator. This is going to be another way I can notice if there's a color change, what's happening in this Ziploc bag. 3 drops of universal indicator. It's telling me something about the acidity, basicity of this solution, of this water, there I go again, of this water with baking soda in it. The blue color tells me that baking soda in water is a basic solution. Now, you usually just want a drop or 2, but I just want you to really see the color. Now this is the interesting part. I'm going to take this test tube with a cap on it and put it in and close the bag. Get the air out and close the bag. Now, I've got no chemicals mixing because the test tube has the stopper on it. I'm going to get closer to a sink and get that stopper off. And once I get the stopper off, I will be able to, in a closed Ziploc bag, dump the acid in. And I wanted to be closer to the sink because this is a process that I might stop before it becomes somewhat dangerous. I got it handled. I got it handled. I wonder what's in there. I do know tests that I could do to tell you what's in this bag now. So that is all of the reaction for part F.